first of all, I've got about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in this pot and 2 whole cloves of garlic. Now, there are different schools of thought about that. Some people like to mince the garlic up and make it part of the sauce. Some people just like to put the whole cloves in like this and then fish them out. I just let them take on a little color, and then at that point, I add my tomatoes. So you want to just, I get them a little dark. See how they're starting to get a little brown now? And I leave them in, because I like that flavor, but if you don't want that flavor, you can just fish them out. So once the garlic starts to take on just a little color, as you can see right there, then you want to add the basil, and you put it right in there, and you want to make sure it's fairly dry, because you heard that sizzle, and that means that there was a little bit of water on the leaves. So I tie it with some kitchen string, just to make a little bit of a bouquet, and put it in there, and I let it go just until the leaves start to wilt. Don't try to make a tomato sauce with dried basil, because dried basil really has no oil. No oil, has no smell, no oil. This, is fresh, and it's going to impart a nice flavor to our sauce. And then once our sauce is cooked, I tied it with string so that I could just fish it out very easily. So once you have the basil in, then you want to add your tomatoes. And a trick for this is, so it doesn't go all over you, is to put the spoon right in the center and pour the tomatoes over the top of the spoon. That kind of deflects where all of that tomato is going to go. So we have it in the pot now. And then all we have to do is give this a little bit of salt. A little salt, cover this, simmer it for about 10 minutes. It's done and ready to use for your pizza. And also, you could also use that for pasta. Good idea.